If you want to build your own stunning dream camper van from scratch, you need to have two things: curiosity and good guidance. I'm Marvin and welcome to the Camper Van course. This course teaches you the steps and techniques to build your dream camper van. With 360-degree image material, you will immerse yourself in the camper conversion process. View the material on your computer, tablet, smartphone, or even VR glasses. In this interactive environment, you can access your roadmap for each section to guide you through your journey. In section 2, for example, you will mount a roof hatch, cut windows, and install a solar panel. You get access to inspiring images showcasing the process. Also, you are able to view the list of all processes in this section. Hotspots will show up to indicate where you need to take action. This will support your understanding of each step and helps you to avoid costly mistakes. This course is packed with detailed step-by-step explanations in video and text format. Over 9 chapters, we will cover everything you need to know to create your future home on wheels. Insulation, rust removal, window installation, furniture construction, electrical installation, and many other topics to make sure you will succeed. To save your time, we've prepared shopping lists with all the components you need for each step. But wait, there's more. You won't be left out in the rain like a hitchhiker in a storm. This course also gives you access to me. I'm ready to answer your burning questions, share my tips and tricks, and celebrate your successes. And don't worry about the size of your van. Whether you want to build a small or a big one, the fundamental steps of our camper van conversion will remain the same. Your camper, your rules. If you want to enjoy more freedom, learn new skills, and build a camper van with your own hands, then this masterclass is for you. Learn more about this masterclass by reviewing the course description and curriculum. Watch the free preview lessons, and then, if you want to become a camper conversion pro, enroll today.